I don't know. I've been looking for positions to sit inside this parlor. I did not see. But anyway, hello, beautiful people. Please leave my wake like hair. I feel like, I don't know, I've lost my front hair. Postpartum hair loss. That's my mama. Good morning, guys, and welcome back again to my channel. It is your favorite baby girl, Dyna Ekwueme. Before we continue, before we start moving mad, I need to first say thank you guys so much for coming along with me. This small project, the Housewife series, fam, you guys totally do not know how joyful it was for me to start such a small project, finish it up, just everything. Have you guys come through for me for every episode? Like, Dyna fucking mites, you guys are the best. Like, you guys are the flipping best. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you. I know some of you, for the last episode 7, it was a bomb. Some people didn't see it coming, some people kind of saw it coming, but then please, let's just stop with the taking sides. Dyna fan, Nello fan. Dyna is immature, childish, she's an olodo, she doesn't know this. Nello is an insulting, mannerless, this, that. Fam, that video was filmed over a week ago, and before we even filmed that video, we met privately, we talked at length, trashed everything out before I chose to invite her for that. She didn't want to do it. Nello did not want to do it. So please, at this point, we are good, and no matter how our friendship, we've chosen to move forward from now. I just want you guys, both Nello fans that are here now and Dynamites, please just respect the friendship, respect it on and offline. I would plead, please, we all are adults. That project was almost like opening up to you guys, opening up certain things about my personal life, my realities, my everything. And since I felt like, last year was, let's just say the truth, last year was Higgy Haggard on this Nigerian YouTube streets. So if something as deep as friendship could be, made public like that, tarnished and whatnot, people chose sides and there were loads of backlash. I can't even explain. So for some of you who were like, you shouldn't have brought that to the public, literally last year everything was out in public, everything was on YouTube. So what were you guys expecting? It's best for everyone to know how everything went down, and we've come to a resolve, would I say. We've totally come to that space where we know that we differ in personalities, and we've learned to understand each other and move on from can we not explain? This video is actually meant to be a fun video. I'm off to the studio. First of all, I need to go to the salon, get my hair done, get my mom's hair done. From there, we're going to a makeup studio, get her makeup done, because her birthday is coming. Like, fam, I'm so freaking excited. My mom's birthday is on the 22nd. My husband's birthday is tomorrow. Like, I'm just excited. So yeah, we're off to the salon, to the studio, photo studio, makeup studio, and then we're back. Tomorrow, my husband's birthday. Next week, my mom's birthday. Hopefully, you guys totally enjoy the rest of the vlog.
There is a place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything is wrong. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone.
We are currently at Claire's Photography Studio. That's the CEO, Managing Director. We are currently at our studio. So far, we've done 3 outfit changes, and I decided, see, I didn't plan on joining the shoot today. It was all about my mom until my face was beat by Chacha's makeover. She's here still beating my mom's face. Say hi.
Hello, hi.
So I was like, why would I come and waste this makeup? It cannot happen. I had to jump in for a quick one. So yeah, you guys are going to see the amazing results. I'm going to be linking their pages in the description area below. So please do check them out on Instagram. Tell them that you're coming from Dyna Ekwueme. You know that already. People know the vibes. People know the vibes already. Get me? Say something.
Thank you guys. I'm very sure you're going to love the picture. I'm so glad to have met you.
Same here. Like, I didn't even this is the first female photographer that I'm meeting in Nigeria. Let me just confess. Let me confess. So it must be hard being a female,
Not easy.
being a photographer,
Not easy.
and being this open and gentle and calm. Like the way she just come to her studio. She didn't even know talk too
We can't
much.
wait to have you guys. We have so many awesome plans this year. 2021 has been blissful.
Yeah.
So just come through and enjoy yourself. That's all I can say. Come on,
That is it. That is it. Anyway, guys, hopefully you guys totally enjoy the rest of the vlog. My mom is still doing the last shoot, the last outfit of the day. Let me know what you think about my makeup. If you're not following my Instagram, you're gonna miss a lot. You're gonna miss the pages, you're gonna miss the pictures. It's my mom's birthday coming soon, and who knows, I'll probably just film something inside the studio before leaving.
It's getting harder, you turn my heart up, throw me in water. I'm getting high.
Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, the 17th of March, and it is my husband's birthday. He's in the room. I don't want to make too much noise. I don't want to shout. I'm so freaking excited. It is 9:00 freaking clock, and I'm about to sneak out of the house. I'm about to sneak out of the house to go and get birthday cake. His birthday cake, a few drinks, and some decorations. Not decorations per se, but then yesterday that I went out with my mom, I bought a few balloons and stuff. So yeah, I don't know how to sneak out of the house. I don't know how to go about it, but then I have to sneak out. Let me bath, freshen up, eat, and then head out. Hello. See, you guys don't want to know where I'm packed. I think my husband already knows. Let me not even come and start act, because I've been out for over 20 minutes, so he will know that something is up. But anyway, I had to rush down to the place where I booked his cake, and I got this beautiful cake. I can't wait for you guys to see it. If you guys know, my husband is an Arsenal fan, and his favorite player is Bukayo Saka. Of recent, you know, they hypes me through, but that's by the way. I made an Arsenal cake for him. It is just back here. Don't worry, the unboxing is coming soon. It's coming very soon. It's a football cake with, you know, cupcakes around it, and Sodi 10. Sodi meaning Solomon Chukode, short form, and 10, his favorite, I think, jersey. I don't know if that's Bukayo Saka's or no. But anyway, then I had to go into Market Square and get a few drinks. Here I have, I got this Chivita. I got 6 of this Budweiser non-alcoholic red wine. The name is Nola. Whew. I know I'm being extremely extra. Budweiser. I bought like 8 Budweiser bear. I think we'll be giving these ones to our neighbors. And Shamto, these are the cookies I got. I'm going back home now. I'm actually close to home. I just stopped by just to make this video, just in case I forget, because out of excitement I may just forget to film. So yeah, I'm off to, you know, surprising him. And then this is a little birthday gift that I'm just quickly wrapping up now. And then this birthday card, which I have written something sweet. You're a star, you're a super dad, my safe haven, my love. I pray God grant you your greatest wishes today. Happy birthday, babe. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy. Sorry if I'm being extra, but fam, this is the love of my life. This is my man, you get me? And today is his 36th birthday. Omo, let's sit down the Olo. Let me hurry home before you start calling. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yeah. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Funny.
Open the card first.
You're a star, super dad, my safe haven, my love. I pray God grant you your greatest wishes today. Happy birthday, babe.
You're welcome. See the first thing he went to. Drink. Come and open your cake. You've never seen your cake. Come and open your cake. See guys, the whole of today, NEPA has just, they have refused to take life today. How do you feel turning 36?
I just feel, well, I say I feel numb.
Ooh la la.
I feel like,
Do you love your cake?
just like every other day.
Woo! I knew you were. You're a conk Arsenal fan. Oh my days.
Going for life, man.
Manchester United for life. Red Devils for life.
Allow me to enjoy my
Oh,
birthday.
sorry, the Gunners. Gunners for life. Sorry, Gunners for life.
Nothing like Manchester
So
United.
bad. We'll give it to you today. Mama. Look at her, Mama. Yes, Mama. I bet you guys are fully aware that today is Wednesday and Hobby still needs to go to work. So he's off to work. It is past 1 p.m. and we've shared food, we've shared cake, we've shared drinks to not just those inside this house, my mom is still around, to a few of our neighbors. And yeah, here with me before I wrap up the vlog. See, I just realized that we've been doing so many unboxings of late, but this AC, are you stopping or see, don't make me sweat. We've got Odogu Abiola. We've got a few things to unbox. This is from a Dynamite, and this I ordered from Lagos. It is pure. I don't know what this is because I know I ordered this thing last week, but I don't know if it is what I'm thinking it is. Okay, sorry, this is the one from Lagos. Oh my god, I think this is the one that, this is actually the one from Lagos because I forgot that I ordered water bottle for my, complete exercising kit. This is the cutest water bottle you would ever see in your life. Just look at this. So rainbowish, and on the body it says, I don't know if you guys can see, 7 a.m. good morning, and it's got like calibration. It's got calibration on here from 250 mils I think up until 2000 mils. if you can look closely. So for each meal you consume, it gives you well done quote. So say 7 a.m. good morning, 9 a.m. you can do this, 11 a.m. feeling great, drink more, 1 p.m. keep drinking, 3 p.m. halfway there, 5 p.m. this is so much fun, 7 p.m. almost there, 9 p.m. yay, you did it. And it's almost like a motivational water bottle. Fill it up and see how much you can consume in a day. And if you need the plug, you know where to find me and I'll get me. But yeah, this was from Lagos, and this has to be from a Dynamite. If it's not, it's also from Lagos, because the 2 things I ordered last week were all from Lagos. It says on the body fringe, so I know exactly what this is. This is my wig. I know it's been a long time that most of you saw me wearing a wig, but then see, yeah, this inside life, staying inside and stuff, I need to cut down on, you know, braiding, and just sometimes weave my hair all to the back and then put on a wig. Actually ordered this from Instagram and hoping that it would look nice. Don't worry, one of these days when I wear it, you guys will know. But from this picture already, you guys can see you guys can see how nice already it's looking. Before I wrap up this video, I would once again Anyway, before I end this vlog, I would love to say, someone is laughing behind. Happy birthday again to my man. Happy birthday, babe. I know sooner or later you would watch this vlog, but yeah, happy birthday. And I hope that, you know, 36 is everything and more that you wish for, that you've ever wished for. And yeah, hopefully you guys totally loved this vlog. If you did enjoy it, hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. For now, mine. I didn't even get to show you guys my nails properly. Get me. This is it, man.